Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check which Windows version of is installed in your laptop. That means Windows Home, Windows Professional Pro, Windows Pro, or Windows uh, any other models. Okay, so I'm using Dell Precision. It's a workstation. And how to check that? It is very simple. Simply right click on this PC or in older version my computer. Okay, so right click on that, then select properties, then you will get this page. Okay, this page. In this page you can see under the Windows specifications, here is the edition. So it is Windows 11 Pro for workstations. So in this way you can easily identify which Windows edition is installed in your laptop. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.